Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Intuit QuickBooks Mobile and connect bank feeds, complete guide step by step clearly. To download Intuit QuickBooks Mobile, open the App Store on your iOS device or the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Intuit QuickBooks. Locate the official QuickBooks app in the search results. Tap on the Download or Install button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the QuickBooks app. You will be prompted to sign in or create an account. If you already have a QuickBooks account, enter your credentials and sign in. If you're a new user, select the option to create a new account. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. After logging in, navigate to the dashboard. To connect bank feeds, tap on the Settings icon. Select Bank Accounts from the Settings menu. Tap on Link Account to begin connecting your bank. Search for your bank or financial institution in the provided list. Once you find your bank, select it and tap Continue. Enter your online banking credentials when prompted. Ensure you provide accurate information to avoid connection issues. After entering your credentials, the app will attempt to connect to your bank. If successful, you will see a confirmation message. Review the linked account details to ensure everything is correct. Now, you can access your bank feeds directly from the QuickBooks mobile app. Take note of the new transactions that will appear in your account. Regularly check for updates to ensure smooth functioning of the app. Explore other features of QuickBooks Mobile for better financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.